Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Zaki and you are watching Isra Online. There are more than 6,000 verses in the Holy Quran and around 77,000 words. In this series of videos, we are going to learn most used Quranic words. Today we will learn 5 words that are used 12,450 times in the Quran. We are going to learn them in just 5 minutes. Number 1. The first most used Quranic word is min or man. This is used 3723 times in the Quran. Let's learn the meanings. Min. Min gives the meaning of from. For example, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً, and he sent down rain from the sky. Min gives the meaning of from. Man. Man gives the meaning of who. وَلَئِنْ سَأَلْتَهُمْ مَنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ, and if you ask them who created the heavens and the earth. So here who is used as the question word. Who created? Look at another example. قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَنْ تَزَكَّى, he has certainly succeeded who purifies himself. Here who is used as a conjunction, or we can say it a relative pronoun. Second most used Quranic word is Allah. So you know the meaning. It is the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is used 2675 times in the Quran. For example, قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ, say He is Allah who is one. Third most used Quranic word is ma. It is used 2149 times in the Quran Kareem. Ma gives the meaning of what. It is a question word. For example, ما هذه التماثيل التي أنتم لها عاكفون, what are these statues to which you are devoted? What as a question word. Another use of what in English grammar is it is used as a relative pronoun. For example, وَأَعْلَمُ مَا تُبْدُونَ وَمَا كُنْتُمْ تَكْتُمُونَ, and I know what you reveal and what you have concealed. So here ma is not a question word. It is used as a relative pronoun. Another use of ma, another meaning of ma is not. وَقُلْنَا حَاشَ لِلَّهِ مَا هَذَا بَشَرًا, they said, perfect is Allah, this is not a man. إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا مَلَكٌ كَرِيمٌ, he is an angel. When the woman first saw Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, so they said that he is not a man. He was so beautiful that they said this is not a man. So these are three meanings of word ma. The fourth word is huwa or hum. These are used 2025 times in the Holy Quran. So let's learn the meanings. Huwa means he and hum means they. So huwa is singular and hum is plural. Huwa, let's look at the example of huwa. قل هو الله أحد. Say, He, huwa means He. He is Allah who is one. An example of whom? أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون. Those are the companions of paradise. They will abide therein eternally. So hum means they. Next comes fifth word, and it is inna. It is used 1935 times in the Quran. Inna is used to emphasize a statement. It means indeed. إن الله على كل شيء قدير. Indeed, Allah is over all things competent. So these are 5 words that we have learned today. Min or man. Number 2, Allah. Number 3, ma. Number 4, hum or huwa. And number 5, inna. These 5 words are used in Quranic Kareem 12,450 times, and they compose 16% of Quranic words. So when you recite Holy Quran, their meanings should come in your mind. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and keep watching Isra Online. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.